In this lecture, I will discuss about the mass source. Mass source is a mass which is used in the analysis of lateral forces in the analysis of seismic design. So for that, I will go in the define mass source. Here is a mass source options. So what is mass source? Here is a formula for the base shear calculation, that is equal to V is equal to CSW. Here CS is a seismic base shear coefficient and W is a seismic weight. So for calculation of base shear, the effective seismic weight is very important, that is the mass source. So in the mass source, what parameters are included? So here I will click 12-7-2. Here is a effective seismic weight. For effective seismic weight, it includes the dead load of the structure, and the second is for live load, minimum 25% live load, and where the inclusion of storage loads adds no more than 5% the effective seismic weight, at that level it need not to be considered, means we can ignore it. And for partition load, we have to also consider the partition load minimum 10 pound per square feet. And for if there is a machinery, heavy machinery, so for a total operating weight of the permanent equipment, that must be, for example, the lathe machine, for that the load of that machine should also be added in the effective seismic weight. And this is the for snow area, if there is a snow, that percent, and weight if in the roof, landscaping, and multiple things are used, then that also include in effective seismic weight. So how we add the effective seismic weight? Here is a dead one, means consider all the dead load, and here is a live load, that will be considered 0.25%. and if there is any super dead load, or for example the load of machine, so then we also first of all define in the load pattern machine load, and then we will put here as it 1. So consider all the load. So we are ignoring the lateral mass, and uncheck this option if you want to consider the lateral mass source in the seismic design. You have to uncheck this, and okay. So that's how you define the mass source in SAFE 2016.